6th through October 30th. So when I click on this folder, you will see the question that we're going to focus on this week is, how do readers describe in depth a character or characters, change, and the theme in a fiction text? So basically what we're going to do, we're going to talk more about the setting, the character, and even the plot, and how our character changes from the beginning to the middle to the end of the text. We're also going to introduce and talk about this word theme and what a theme in a text might be. I'm sure you've heard that word before. When we click on Monday, you will attend a live lesson at 9 o'clock, and then you are going to watch the vocab day 1 video. And I would really recommend, boys and girls, because there's quite a bit going on this week, later on in the week, I would take this time today on Monday, since there's not a whole lot of reading for you to do on your own. I would try to read and finish up my book report project. Again, just a reminder, those should be completed by this Friday the 30th. We will be spending time during that live lesson on Friday going through and watching some of our classmates present their book report. When we look at Tuesday, you are going to attend our live lesson, of course, but then after that live lesson, we will just mention this text, but we want you to go through and read the text Experts Incorporated. If you have the large reading textbook, that's the one. It looks like almost like a leopard or something, and he's driving a plane. And that's in that big reading textbook that you picked up before we started this school year. You're going to read pages 32 to 41 in that book. Again, that text is titled Experts Incorporated. You're going to learn about a character named Rodney Curtin, and he's going to talk to you about a problem that he encounters with a school project. And it's related to writing an essay. So I think that maybe some of you can even relate to this character. Then you are going to watch the vocab day 2 video. Then you are going to read for 20 minutes and continue working on your project. Again, while the reading load is kind of light on Monday and Tuesday, I'd recommend really trying to wrap up your book report project. When we go into Wednesday, you are going to go back and reread that text, Experts Incorporated, that you read yesterday. We'll talk a little bit about this story during our live lesson this morning, but you guys are going to go back and reread, and then you're going to print, complete, and then upload the plot mountain for Experts Incorporated. The plot mountain is located here, so you will need to print this graphic organizer, and then you are going to complete that all on your own. So far we've done the plot mountain, but we've kind of worked together to complete those pieces. You're going to go back and complete the kind of more basic plot mountain with just those 5 components, and you're going to upload a picture of your completed plot mountain here. You're going to watch the vocab day 3 video and then work on your book report project. When we look at Thursday's folder, you are going to now print, complete, and upload a second graphic organizer. So yesterday we focused on Plot Mountain, and today you are going to focus on the character Rodney from Experts Incorporated and how he changes throughout the story. Again, we've modeled this the last 2 weeks. We've talked about it. We've kind of gone through together to do this, but now you are going to do this all on your own for this text, Experts Incorporated. That graphic organizer is here, and then when you are finished, you're going to submit it here. After you complete the character graphic organizer, you are going to go down here and complete a discussion board post. This is not very lengthy, but when you open this discussion board post, you will see that we have discussed a couple different themes that are very common in literature. We know that theme is talking about the message or the lesson that the author wants you to take away after you read the story. The theme is not specific to that story, meaning it's not going to relate just to those characters and those situations or events, but it's something that you can apply to your own life. So you're going to identify a possible theme in the text Experts Incorporated. You know this text very well by now, so you probably don't even have to go back to reread everything to complete the character graphic organizer and this discussion board post. After you complete the discussion board, you're going to watch day 4 of vocab and then read for 20 minutes and complete your project. When we go into Friday, you will notice that Friday is very, very short. During our live lesson, we will have student volunteers who would like to share their PowerPoint presentation with the class. Some of you may have even dressed up as your character, so we can't wait to see that. And you are going to complete the vocabulary quiz for this week. That wraps up reading. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher.